Hello everyone, so we are gonna solve this problem, sort colors. Okay, so one integer array is given which has only 0, 1 and 2. Okay, only three types of elements. So we have to sort it without using any built-in sorting algorithm like arrays.sort. So we don't have to use all those built-in functions. They take n log n, but we have to solve it in O of n. So this algorithm is also called Dutch flag coloring algorithm. So let me write down my approach here. So you can see this integer array. So what we are going to do is we are having three different integer variables: left, mid and right. So left and mid I am starting from very first location with the 0th, and right equal to n minus 1, where n is the size of this array. Okay, so you can see in the diagram mid and left is here. So initially it is 2 and on right it is 0. Okay, so with mid we are gonna traverse it. Okay, so initially if mid equal to 2, what we gonna do is, so see here, when mid equal to 2, a of mid equal to 2, then we gonna make a swap between right and the mid. So here you can see on the mid we have 2, on the right we have 0, so we have to make a swap here. Okay, so see, after making swap, what will happen, these values would be interchanged. Okay, so this would be finally, it would be 2 here, 2 would be coming here, and 0 would be swapping to here. Okay, and then right would be decreased by one place. Okay, so this right has to come, and now it would be coming to this guy here. So right would be now here, we have decreased right by 1. Now mid is still there only. Okay, so now mid is 0. So if mid is equal to 0, then we have to make a swap with the left. Okay, so a of mid, which is 0 and equal to 0. So if we make a swap with the left, it would be 0 only. Okay, then we will increase the mid and left both. Okay, so our new mid and left location would be coming here as 1. So we will have to remove this guy from here. Okay, so our mid and left both are now 1. So let me update here itself. So you can see here left and mid are now 1 and 1 here, and right is at 4. Okay, this is 4. We can just write it 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so right is on this guy, right is 4. So now mid is at, again mid equal to 0. So what we have to do is we have to make a swap with the left. So left is also 1 and mid is also 1. So swap is also it's already 0. So now our mid and left both would be here. Okay, so let me remove this thing. Now new value of mid and left equal to again 2 and 2, because both are increased here. So this is 2, this is also 2, and right is still on 4. Okay, now see here, a of mid is again 2. A of mid is 2, so we have to make a swap with this right. So right is at 4 and mid is at 2, so we have to swap. So after making swap, what will happen, this will become our 2, new value would be here 2, and here this will become 1. Okay, so let me make it 1. So now this is equal to 1. Now right would be decreased, right would be coming to here. Okay, so now our new right value is there. So we have to remove this right indicator. So mid is at here and right is at, so right at 3, mid at 2. So this is 1. So in case of a of mid is 1, we have to traverse as it is. We have to just increase the mid. We don't have to do anything else. So if here we check a of mid is equal to 1. So what we have to do is we have to basically increase the value of mid only. We don't have to do anything. So now what will happen, mid will be reaching here. So now mid and right both are indicating to same thing. Now again this mid equal to 1. So mid has to go again to the right side. But our condition would be while mid is less than or equal to right. So till here we would be stopped, because at this location mid and right is both are 3. So this would be our closing condition. After that we cannot move to the right. So finally you can see this is overall a sorted array. 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2. So this approach only we will use. So let me write the quickly code of it. So see here I have written one swap function which is just doing a simple swap. Then see here, I'm starting from here. I started left equal to 0, mid equal to 0, and nums equal to right equal to nums length minus 1. So see here, I'm using this while loops while mid is less than or equal to right. Okay, so see here, first of all I am checking if nums mid equal to 0. Okay, then we have to make a swap with the left variable. Okay, and after doing the swap we have to increase both left plus plus and mid plus plus, because we are done with the 0, right? So we have to indicate it to the next value, and similarly mid also done, so we have to increase it. Now if mid equal to 2, in that case what will happen? We have to just make a swap with right and decrease the right only. Okay, because if we, after doing swap, there could be a possibility that at the location of mid the new value might be 0 or 1, so we are not increasing mid plus plus. We have to check whether it is 1 or 0 after doing swap. And if it is 1 only, so in that case I am putting in else. If a of mid equal to basically 1, then we have to go to right, because it's already sorted location. So this would be my approach, and this is my simple code. Let me execute it. So if I execute it, yeah, it is working fine. Let me submit it. Yeah, so it is 100% faster. So thank you for watching the video. If you have any concern, please make a comment over there. Thank you.